Welcome to this episode where we'll explore the second and third pages of the dashboard. The second page covers some economic impacts due to COVID-19, and the third page covers related travel impacts. Back to the second page. The map features countries that have cut interest rates since the beginning of the outbreak. You can focus on relevant countries using the slicer above. Switch between rate changes and current global rates using the toggle. The chart on the left features a variety of share market indices from around the world. You can select which market to display using the slicer below. You can see global markets are slowly starting to recover from the initial downward pressure between February and March of this year. The most recent average loss from all markets is calculated and displayed in this card. Onward to the next page, which features travel impacts. The upper part of the page describes movement within cities, taking into account foot traffic, public transport, taxis, and other private transport means. If you hover over the cities on the map, we can see Hong Kong has dropped to 42% of normal intra-city travel levels, and Sydney has dropped to 13%. The chart on the right features travel levels for selected cities since the 15th of March. For instance, Birmingham started at 91% of normal travel levels and has since dropped to 10% in recent weeks. You can vary the dates and zoom in on cities using the slicers in the middle. Switch between 5 selected cities and the global average using the toggle. The chart on the bottom features global flights per day as a number and also as a percentage of normal levels. The cards on the left show the latest travel and daily flight deviations from normal levels.